crashed here this morning with my partner Anna. We came here as a simple vacation to escape from the harsh environment of homework on Halloween. It was just a simple vacation, but Anna dropped some cattle, and I tried to reach out and get it, leading to me falling out. We crashed here with another survivor, Mia. We don't know what to do. We woke up on the bank with only these Altoid survival kits and an iPad.
Canoeing down Gyoza River, but I don't really know how to canoe. So I somehow ended up here on the banks of this place with these strangers. I don't know anybody.
So I came here with my best mate. Again, I'm not really sure how I got here. And I'm a model and I'm not exactly sure how to do everything, but I can learn.
So we crashed here by chance. We had all three of these Altoid things. It's an American thing, by the way. It's Altoid mitts. Don't really know what it is, but anyway, so we crashed here with the survival kit. See, in mine here, I have matches, paracord and a carabiner, have fire starters, some dry sheets wrapped in lint, and some Vaseline soaked cotton balls. We have some birthday candles, a whistle, and a match starter.
So I was born in the cave or a hole or some sort of natural feature that you find outside, you know. But I remember that there were these cat things just kind of circling me. So I'm pretty sure that I was raised by something called an ocelot.
I was born in the best hospital in London. I was the most beautiful baby in the hospital at the time, and I probably ever. So yeah, all my life I was super beautiful when growing up. I only came here with my best mate just to get away from homework on Halloween, because homework on Halloween is the worst. But yeah, I'm a model.
So I was born and raised in Hillsborough in the UK, which is some tiny town. I can't remember the name of it, I just know it was Hillsborough. But so I grew up by a river. I always liked to canoe. I always liked nature, but I never really knew anything, and I never really took that to heart. So I don't really know how to do anything. So we're probably all gonna die, and I'm not a model.
Next part in common knowledge, and although it says common knowledge, it's not very common. So anyways, I know that this leaf here is called poison ivy, and you do not eat it. Don't eat it or you will die. So we found this tree and we are going to make a shelter here.
So we've made lots of progress on our shelter so far. Mia is able to fit in it completely. That's what we're looking for. So we've got a doorway now. We're about to start adding smaller sticks to make it even thicker.
So we're almost done with our shelter. We only have to add a few more sticks and things, and then we'll be done building our shelter. So now we will go on to the next challenge.
We have prepared a fire pit with fire. We're going to light the fire with a match from our Altoid survival kits, because that's what you do with fires. So,
find food, and since we have fishing supplies, we are going to go fishing and hopefully catch something. So yeah, now we can go fishing on this lovely river. So yeah. It turns out fishing failed, so we found turkey tail mushrooms, and that's our food source. So we've completed food.
if you can survive, then great.
Please be prepared for the worst.
Stranded have a plan.